Hello. Actually, I don't like that angle. That's better. Less mess. That is not what I thought these were gonna be. I'm kind of disappointed. I thought these were pickle. Potato boats. These are chips. I'm still gonna eat it. Here's the star of the show then. Fried pickles. How do I angle this so you can see me better? Or the food better? Did you guys see the food or me? I think it should be both, right? Anyways. Just don't know how to angle it that way. Anyways, these are spicy. I tried to go to 2 places for pickle chips, but the one place, the one place was literally their sign was on, but they were closed because the door was locked. So, these ones are really good though. This is my breakfast. Don't judge. If you're not having, well, I really thought these were gonna be potato boats, but they're honestly still good. Like, I love a pub chip. Give you the makeup beauty guru thing. I have a latte. And apparently I broke my straw. I stopped putting cinnamon in my lattes. I don't know, I think I was putting too much in, and so I started to, sorry. I think I was maybe putting too much in, and so I was like almost getting sick of it. So, just salted caramel now. Maybe I should find cool things to talk about when I do these. I feel like I should have something to talk about at all. But yeah. These are honestly really good. Not quite what I was expecting, but I'm not mad. I kind of thought I'd be disappointed. I thought they'd be like plain chips when I opened it, because I expected like potato skin boat things, but no, these are actually fire. I'm not mad. You hear that crunch? Oh, it's a little sour. I love a good pickle, especially a spicy pickle. A spicy fried pickle? You might as well. You might as well be proposing. It's really windy here today. My tomatoes are growing good, but it's kind of fall, so they're kind of starting to slow down. I really feel like I should have like cool things to talk about. Maybe I'll like look up facts next time. Facts about what I'm eating, maybe? I don't know. My special guest. He's my best friend in the entire world. The most handsome man to ever exist. His name is Mango. I might cut this short. Not like right now. I'll give it another 5-minute mukbang would be kind of pitiful of me. But I have book club tonight, so I kind of don't want to take forever. Also, I feel like my hair's a little greasy, so maybe I should wash it. These are honestly fire. I want to go see the new Wicked so bad whenever it comes out. I saw the new Beetlejuice. It was really good. And then I watched the old Beetlejuice again last night. It was on like cable or whatever. Actually, I don't know if I have cable. Whatever it is that I have. Cheers. So good. I love a crisp Sprite. I don't know. I wonder what kind of pickles these are, because they're not as spicy as like the Grillo's ones. The Grillo's spicy ones have habanero in them, and like I can barely eat them. Like they're good, but like I will eat like half a pickle at a time. Excuse me. Sorry, I have acid reflux. And if I burp during mukbangs, I really hope that doesn't gross people out, because I cannot help it. I have acid reflux like a fucking 65-year-old man. I'm 23 and a woman. Is it because I eat like a 65-year-old man? No. I feel like I eat really good sometimes. Like, I work out and stuff. That's not true. I barely work out. I work out like once a week. I'm really bad about it. For a while, I was like getting back into it, and I don't know. It's just like, I don't know. It's a lot easier in the summer because you can work out outside, but it would be such a nice day out if it wasn't literally so windy. It's incredibly windy out there. I need scissors because I'm gonna break these in half. The pickle won't break, just the breading will. So a little chaotic. So good. You'd think they'd be almost bad because, you know, pickles shouldn't really be hot, but like something about it, it just still works. Oh, it's getting kind of spicy. Sometimes I feel like I don't chew my food long enough. But then it also feels like I'm chewing my food forever. I don't know. On one of the podcasts I listened to yesterday, they were talking about, I was listening to an old episode yesterday, but they were talking about, one of them had gone out to eat and he choked, and like when he finally got whatever he was choking on out, it was like huge. Like, I feel like that sometimes because I'm like, I don't feel like I like take huge bites, but I do. I feel like I don't notice what I'm doing sometimes. I don't know. Who knows? Honestly, I might save the rest of these pickles for later. And just eat chips. I should probably eat some protein before book club too. Let me show you all the too. Excuse me. Okay. My acid reflux is acting up. I'm burping like an old man. I'm gonna call it. Peace.